Water cycle. Evaporation. Water changes to water vapor due to the heat of the sun. This process is called evaporation. Condensation. Condensation is the process where water vapor cools down and transforms back into water. Clouds are the visible result of condensation. Precipitation. Small water droplets in the clouds join together and become bigger and heavier. When they become very heavy, they fall to the ground as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. The repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle.